Hey guys! Today I'm going to share to you how I made details on the face of this girl statue. So as you can see, she's pretty young lady, but her face is blank and it doesn't have any details on it. And so I thought of putting a detail on her face. I bought this little girl statue from Marketplace at $5. And $5 is not bad, eh? And so today I'm going to put the details. And so this is it. This is a nail polish brush. So I'm just going to put lightly in here the eyebrow. I used a dark burgundy just to match with her hair, and just a very light, almost like light touch, otherwise it will create a blob. See, that's a little bit blob at the end. And you can see from here that I didn't like to retouch it. It might create a mess. Now this is the eyelid. Again, very light. So just look at the corner on of the brow on the right side. It has a blob. It's okay. I didn't care to correct anymore. As when I start to, especially I intend to put this in the garden, it will be seen from afar. So that kind of detail is not gonna show. It won't be noticed by anyone. So I'll keep it like that. Now I'm putting here the lipstick, and I used a very pale pink color lipstick, or nail polish I should say. And that's it. Looks good on her, eh? And here are the nail polish that I used for her. Very cheap. I actually chose those on sale, and it was selling at $3 per piece. And so the details I used now, the other one, the pale pink, is actually old one that we have here at home, and only the burgundy, that's the one that I bought. Looks good, eh? So here she is, the full body and details on the face, the before and after. And that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!